Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, and today I have a really fun unboxing for you. This is like a Christmas present that I got myself. I have been in search of a pair of all black sneakers, and I've looked across brands, across different price points, and I just didn't found one that got me very excited. And then I don't know how I discovered this, but somehow I had missed, you know me, I'm the collaboration girl. I love hearing about designer collaborations. I had no idea this had come out. No idea. And it's today, I got this in the mail today, and it's been weeks, maybe a month since the collection came out. The collection, of course, as you see from the title, is Puma by Balmain. Not only is this a collaboration between both brands, between Puma and this French luxury fashion house, but it's also products that were created with Cara Delevinge, who is, one of the most famous models and actresses out right now. So this is a really cool collaboration, and I'm so sorry. I don't know how I missed it. I really like the collection. It's sold out on the Puma website. It's sold out on the Balmain website, but I found a few pieces still available at Saks. So I looked through the products. I liked a lot of it. It's definitely boxing inspired. A lot of the products that they created definitely have that boxing element to it. Like, for example, the gloves, the fingerless gloves that boxers wear when they're training. I really, really like that. I almost bought it, but I'm trying to cut down on the spending right now. The tracksuits, the sweatpants, they all looked really cool. The t-shirts, the sleeveless tops, very cool collection. And then I saw this pair of sneakers, and I really, really liked them. And like I said, I've been looking for an all black pair of sneakers. I like them on the chunkier side because it's just best for my feet. And all right, to cut that long story short, let's get to the unboxing again. I just popped this out of the cardboard box that it was shipped in, but I haven't opened it, so I'm really excited to open it up. So here we go. Okay, cool. Okay, so it comes with an extra pair of red laces. Here is the dust bag. Very, very nice, thick quality dust bag. The wrapping paper. Here are the sneakers. Oh, it smells really good in here. Oh my gosh. Here they are. They just smell good. I don't know how to describe it. New, I guess, is the smell, but I don't know if this is actual leather. Kind of smells like it, but wow, these are just beautiful. Again, they're on the chunky side, but chunky is in right now, and chunky works for my feet. I need a lot of support. I have plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis, so a chunky sole really helps me. This is all black, as you can see, and I love the touches of the gold buttons, and these are gorgeous. Wow, these are really, really cool. So we see that it has black leather. It also has mesh and then some suede as well. Obviously the gold, stands out. Absolutely beautiful. Love this. The details. I love how the laces wrap around this right here, this like gold Balmain coin over here. Just really, really nice. Just so much thought into the design. Really beautiful. So yes, this is leather right here. I'm looking at the tag on the inside. It says upper is leather, the lining is other materials and textiles. Same for the sole, says other materials. I love that pop of red in there. I'm going to keep it all black, but I appreciate that they included the red laces, so I can switch it up if I want to, whenever I want to. These sneakers retail for $350, which, for Puma, super pricey. For Balmain, not so much. You guys know that I love the Louis Vuitton I have a couple of the runway sneakers. I love those sneakers. Those sneakers retail for $790, I think. And so $350, not so bad, not so steep. But the really big plus is that I purchased this kind of around Black Friday, and they emailed me. I'm part of the mailing list, and Saks emailed me this coupon code that I could use for $50 off of anything that was over $300. So although these retail for $350, I managed to get them for $300. I love a good coupon. I love a good discount. So that is really one of the reasons that pushed me to finally just buy these. Yeah, these are so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to try these out and post some photos of me wearing it. Yeah, I really, really like it. I am currently in the market looking for a pair of all white sneakers. Again, just like with these, I've been looking all over the place. By the way, there are more sneakers that are part of this collection. I'm going to link to Saks down below so you can check out the whole Puma by Balmain Collection with Cara Delevinge. And you can see what's available. They have more sneakers. They have an all white. They have this version in white. They also have another black and red. And then they also have a really beautiful all black, similar to this one, but it's a high top. It comes a little higher. That one was also very cool. It's $450, and I was debating between the two of them, but ultimately I think I like this better. And there is another version that is like an exaggerated high top. It definitely comes up higher than your average high top, and again, I think it's kind of bringing in that boxer theme, because boxers wear those high top kind of boots. So definitely check out the collection, because again, some of the pieces have sold out, but there's still some available, and I think they might have brought in a couple of new pieces. I remember seeing something with like the new sticker on the listing. So definitely check it out, because it's a really cool collection. Really nice tops if you like t-shirts or you are a fan of Balmain tops. I mean, this is as affordable as you're going to find them. So definitely check it out. But yes, I am still in the market for an all-white sneaker. So if you have any recommendations, again, across boards, across price points, let me know, because I would love to check them out. I do have a pair. There's one that has stood out for me, and I keep looking at it and I keep going back to it. So I think it might be the one, but I'm still open to suggestions. So if you know of any, please let me know in the comment section below. And again, use that comment section to ask me any questions, make a request, or just say hi. You guys know that I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click that bell icon and set your notifications for all, so that you are notified through email whenever my videos come out. I make new videos every single week, and I cover fashion, beauty, travel, DIY projects, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.